Activating gift cards, a step-by-step guide.
Welcome to this video tutorial on how to activate gift cards without making a purchase. Today, we'll be explaining the process, helping you understand the ins and outs of gift card activation.
What does it mean to activate a gift card?
Activating a gift card means making it ready for use. Gift cards are often sold in a dormant or inactive state to prevent theft and fraud. When you're ready to use the card, you have to activate it, which typically involves confirming the card's value and adding that value to the card.
How do you activate a gift card?
Here's where we get into the nitty-gritty. The exact process can vary, depending on where the gift card is from. However, in most cases, you'll need to follow these general steps. 1. Check the packaging. Many gift cards come with activation instructions on the packaging or on a sticker on the card itself. These should be your first point of reference. 2. Go online or call customer service. If there are no clear instructions on the packaging, look for a website or customer service number associated with the gift card. 3. Use the activation code. During the activation process, you'll likely need to provide an activation code. This is typically found on the packaging or receipt that came with the gift card. Remember, you do not need to make a purchase to activate your gift card.
What if you can't activate your gift card?
If you're having trouble activating your gift card, here are a few things you can do. 1. Double-check your information. Ensure that you've entered the activation code and any other necessary information correctly. 2. Contact customer service. If you're still having trouble, reach out to the gift card's customer service for assistance. 3. Visit the store. If the gift card is for a physical store, you can also try going to the store for help with activation. Remember that patience is key. It can sometimes take a little while for the activation to process. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to activate your gift cards without making a purchase. Now, you're equipped to make the most of those gift cards. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share. Until next time, happy spending!